Fellow Ugandans, we must thank God that we have come through this year, a unique year, and we are coming to the end of it, and we are going into the Christmas season, which is a unique one. First of all, I want to wish you peace, and I want to tell your neighbor that, tell him or her that peace be with you, because the peace starts from your heart. If you have peace with God, if you have peace with yourself, if you have peace with your neighbor, you will have peace with the rest of nature, and that's where it all starts. Security starts with every individual, wherever he or she is. Now, I want to inform you, Ugandans, that the security of the country generally is very calm. Everybody is free to do what he or she likes to do, and I challenge you that this Christmas is a very interesting Christmas. The only problem, the only danger, the only threat during this season is COVID. Young people, old people, don't listen. The biggest problem is people who are misleading the public, who are saying there is no COVID, who are telling people even if you don't put on masks, it's okay. That's very dangerous. Don't listen to them. Keep on your mask, social distance, make sure you keep yourself healthy, eat right, have exercise, go in the sun, and do whatever it takes to save yourself from COVID. I don't think there is a family which doesn't have a relative who has been lost through COVID. So that is the only threat. Therefore, I call upon all Ugandans, take this season seriously. Take the advice and share it with the others. Secondly, I would like to advise especially the young people that this is your chance. This is the opportunity. Don't be misled by being excited with the spur of the moment. Young people are easily excited with the spur of the moment without having the hindsight and the foresight. That's what makes a difference of a leader. That's what makes a difference of what message we should have. Listen to people who are telling you with hindsight and with foresight, so that you can guarantee your future. I can tell you that if you want to be a leader, and I want to thank you young people, especially those who have been given the opportunity to be leaders. A leader is the one who has the capability, who is able to mobilize and organize other people, make them organized, make them disciplined. Those two words. The future belongs to the organized and disciplined. And then make them do extraordinary things by focusing on something which is important for that organization and making sure that you practice it, you do it as your routine, consistently, persistently, and that organization moves forward. That's what will make you a leader. Therefore, this opportunity is for the African youth. I want to challenge you, African youth, that there has never been a better time in the history of Africa when the African youth are the greatest asset, not a liability to Africa. This is your time for you to communicate easily because there is better communication facilities. Most of you are educated. Most of you are exposed. You can get any technology. You can get any information on the available communication facilities which are here now, which were not there before. It is the best time for you to communicate and share between one another. It is the best time for you to look for the best opportunities, have innovations for the benefit of the rest of Africa. This is not only for Uganda, but this is for the youth of the African continent. Our history shows that there has never been a time in the history of Africa when Africa is united as she is, when Africa is able to share and communicate together, when Africa is able to trade with one another than before. It is the time. This is Africa's time now. So, I really want to share with you this message for this Christmas, that don't be discouraged by anybody. The future holds much more, but you must work for it. If you work for God, if you work for your country, they work for you in return. I repeat, if you work for God and work for your country, they will work for you in return. And you will enjoy better and better and better future. Therefore, start now, share with your friend, tell your fellow youth, share with your old people, and let us all work together. When people come together, things happen. When they don't come together, things don't happen. God bless you. Enjoy the Christmas. You don't have to go in so many places unlike before, because there is a problem of COVID which is threatening our lives. Stay home, stay safe, stay peaceful, avoid violence, share with your colleagues this message. God bless you.